10 life-changing productivity hacks using ChatGPT. Work smarter, not harder. Stay till the end. Hack number 5 is a game changer. Plus, we've got a powerful bonus tip waiting for you. Welcome to Think AI, Do More, where we explore the best ways AI can enhance your life. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful productivity hacks that will completely transform the way you work, think, and manage your daily life, all using ChatGPT. These hacks are designed to be practical and relatable for everyone, from students and working professionals to small business owners and content creators. Hack number 1. AI-powered daily planning. Turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant. How to use it? Struggling with time management? ChatGPT can create a perfect daily schedule based on your tasks, priorities, and even your energy levels. Example: create a daily schedule for me where I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., with time for exercise, deep work, and short breaks. You'll get a structured plan to follow, maximizing your productivity without burnout. Hack number 2. Instant summaries for quick learning. Save hours of reading. How to use it? Have a long article, research paper, or meeting notes. ChatGPT can summarize it in seconds. Example: summarize this article in 5 bullet points. This is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to absorb knowledge faster. Hack number 3. Smart email drafting. Stop wasting time on emails. How to use it? Writing emails can take too much time. ChatGPT can make it effortless. Example: write a polite email requesting a project deadline extension. Whether you need to send work emails, client pitches, or even resignation letters, ChatGPT has you covered. Hack number 4. The ultimate brainstorming partner. Never run out of ideas. How to use it? Need fresh ideas for work, content, or personal projects? Let ChatGPT help you brainstorm unlimited ideas. Example: give me 10 creative Instagram post ideas for a fitness page. This works for 1. Small business owners. 2. Content creators. 3. Students working on projects. Hack number 5. The secret hack that will skyrocket your productivity. Don't skip this. How to use it? ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, saving hours of manual work. Example: create a weekly grocery shopping list based on a vegetarian diet. You can automate 1. Grocery lists. 2. Workout plans. 3. Task reminders. 4. Data entry and report generation. This one hack alone can save you up to 5-10 hours a week. Hack number 6. Get instant mental clarity with AI coaching. Eliminate overthinking. How to use it? Feeling stuck or demotivated? ChatGPT can act as your personal mindset coach, providing daily motivation and mental clarity exercises. Example: give me a 2-minute confidence boost before an important meeting. This is great for 1. Professionals before meetings. 2. Students before exams. 3. Entrepreneurs before pitching ideas. Hack number 7. AI-powered language learning. Master a new language fast. How to use it? Want to learn Spanish, French, or any language? ChatGPT can be your personal language tutor. Example: translate this sentence into French and explain its meaning. You can 1. Practice conversations. 2. Learn grammar rules. 3. Improve pronunciation with phonetic spelling. Hack number 8. Ultra-fast research assistance. No more endless Googling. How to use it? Instead of spending hours researching, let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Example: compare the best budget smartphones in 2025 with pros and cons. This is useful for 1. Students doing research. 2. Buyers comparing products. 3. Professionals needing quick insights. Hack number 9. AI-assisted content creation. Perfect for writers and creators. How to use it? If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media manager, ChatGPT can help generate 1. Blog posts. 2. Video scripts. 3. Instagram captions. 4. LinkedIn posts. Example: Write an engaging LinkedIn post on work-life balance. This can help you grow your personal brand and business faster. Hack number 10. Code like a pro with ChatGPT, even if you're not a programmer. How to use it. If you need help with coding, debugging, or automating tasks, ChatGPT is an instant coding assistant. Example. Explain recursion in Python in simple terms. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this hack will make your work easier. Bonus tip. The hidden ChatGPT feature that will save you hours. How to use it. Most people don't know this, but you can train ChatGPT to remember your preferences and customize responses accordingly. Try this. Act as my personal productivity assistant. From now on, suggest daily habits based on my progress. This means ChatGPT will remember what works best for you and adjust responses to be more helpful over time. Which hack did you find most useful? Comment below. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Think AI, do more for more AI-powered life hacks. Share this with your friends who need to boost their productivity.